Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss multiple choice question covering elementary concept in chemistry, especially tailored to the topics like atomic structure, chemical symbols, formulas, atomic and molecular weight, the law of chemical combination, valency, and properties of air and water. These questions are relevant to NDA exams preparation and for other exam preparation also. I will discuss these one by one. You may verify these in case of any doubt in question or answer. You may verify from your textbook. I will try my best to explain each and every term. Which particle in an atom has a positive charge? Option A electron, option B proton, option C neutron, option D neutrino. The option is correct B. Proton has positive charge, electron has negative charge, neutron has no charge. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of atomic theory? Who is known as the father of atomic theory? Option A Niels Bohr, option B J.J. Thomson, option C John Dalton, option D Ernest Rutherford. The correct answer is C John Dalton. Dalton is known as the father of atomic theory. Question number 3. Nucleus of an atom consists of which particle? The nucleus of an atom consists of which particles? Option A proton only, option B proton and neutron, option C neutron only, option D electron and neutron. The correct answer is B proton and neutron. Next is question number 4. Which atomic model first introduced the concept of electron orbit? Which atomic model first introduced the concept of electron orbit? Option A Dalton model, option B Thomson model, option D Rutherford model, option D Bohr's model. The correct answer is D Bohr's model. Bohr's model is the first model which have introduced the concept of electron orbit. Question number 5. Which subatomic particle is lightest? Which subatomic particle is lightest? Option A proton, option B neutron, option C electron, option D positron. The lightest particle is electron. Electron is the lightest particle. Question number 6. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Option A S, option B N, option C Na, option D SO. The correct answer is C Na. Na is the chemical symbol for sodium. Question number 7. Which of the following is the correct formula for water? Which of the following is the correct formula for water? Option A H2, option B O2, option C H2O, option D H2O2. The correct answer is C H2O. H2O is the correct formula for water. Question number 8. The formula for carbon dioxide is? The formula for carbon dioxide is option A CO, option B CO2, option C C2O, option D C2O2. The correct answer is B CO2. Carbon dioxide formula is CO2. Question number 9. Which of these represent a balanced chemical equation for formation of water? Which of these represent a balanced chemical equation for formation of water? Option A H2 plus O2 is H2O. Option B H2 plus half O2 is H2O. Option C 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. Option C 2H2 plus 2O2 is 2H2O. The correct answer is C 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. Question number 10. What is the chemical symbol for iron? What is the chemical symbol for iron? Option A Fe, option B Ir, option C F, option D I. The correct answer is A Fe. Fe is the chemical symbol of iron. Question number 11. Atomic mass unit is based on which isotope? Atomic mass unit is based on which isotope? Option A C12, option B oxygen 16, option C H1, option D N2 nitrogen 14. The correct answer is A C12. Carbon 12 is the base for atomic mass unit. Question number 12. Which element has the highest atomic weight? Which element has the highest atomic weight? Option A oxygen, option B uranium, option C hydrogen, option D helium. The correct answer is B uranium. The molecular weight of water H2O is, the molecular weight of water H2O is 16 AMU, 18 AMU, C 20 AMU, D 10 AMU. Correct answer is B 18 AMU. The molecular weight of water is 18 atomic mass unit. Question number 14. How many gram are there in 1 mole of oxygen gas O2? How many gram are there in 1 mole of oxygen gas O2? The question of the option A 16 gram, option B 8 gram, option C 32 gram, option D 64 gram. The correct answer is C 32 gram. Question number 15. Which of the following pair are same equivalent? Which of the following pair has same equivalent weight? Which of the following pair has same equivalent weight? Option A O2 and H2, option B CO2 and CO, option C H2 and H2O, option D NaCl and KCl. The correct answer is D. NaCl and KCl has the same equivalent weight. Question number 16. Who proposed the law of conservation of mass? Who proposed the law of conservation of mass? Option A Avogadro, option B Lavoisier, option C Dalton, option D Mendeleev. The correct answer is Lavoisier. Lavoisier proposed the law of conservation of mass. Question number 17. Which of the following law state that compounds always contain same element in the same proportion? Which of the following law states that compounds always contain the same elements in the same proportion? Option A law of multiple proportion, option B law of definite proportion, option C law of reciprocal proportion, option D Avogadro law. The correct answer is B law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion always contains the same element in the same proportion. The compound always contains the same element in the same proportion, that is law of definite proportion. The option B is correct. Question number 18. The law of multiple proportion was proposed by. The law of multiple proportion was proposed by option A Dalton, option B Lavoisier, option C Proust, option D Rutherford. The correct answer is A Dalton. Dalton proposed the law of multiple proportion. Question number 19. According to law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction, according to law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction, option A mass is destroyed, option B mass is created, option C mass remains constant, option D mass fluctuate. The correct answer is C. According to law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction, mass remains constant. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which law is illustrated by the statement that water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen in 1:8 mass ratio? According to the law, water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen in 1:8 mass ratio. It is option A law of conservation of mass, option B law of multiple proportion, option C law of definite proportion, option D Avogadro law. The correct answer is C law of definite proportion. So according to the statement, water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen in 1:8 mass ratio. So it is due to law of definite proportion. The answer C is correct. Question number 21. The valency of hydrogen is generally option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is A. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Question number 22. What is the valency of oxygen in water? What is the valency of oxygen in water, that is H2O? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 6. The correct answer is B 2. The valency of oxygen is in the water formula H2O is 2. Option B is correct. Question number 23. Which of these elements typically has a valency of 3? Which of these elements typically has a valency of 3? Option A hydrogen, option B boron, option C oxygen, option D fluorine. The correct answer is B boron. Boron has a valency of 3. Question number 24. The valency of chlorine in HCl is. The valency of chlorine in HCl is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is A, that is valency of hydrogen chlorine is 1. Question number 25. An element with a valency of 4 is likely to be. An element with a valency of 4 is likely to be option A lithium, option B carbon, option C sodium, option D oxygen. The correct answer is B, that is carbon. The element with a valency of 4 is carbon. Question number 26. What is the valency of nitrogen in ammonia, NH3? What is the valency of nitrogen in ammonia, NH3? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is C 3. The valency of nitrogen in ammonia is 3. The option C is correct. Question number 27. The valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid H2SO4 is. The valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid H2SO4 is option A 2, option B 4, option C 8, option C 6, option D 8. The correct answer is C 6. The valency of sulfur in sulfuric acid H2SO4 is C, that is 6. Correct answer is C. Question number 28. What is the valency of calcium in calcium chloride, CaCl2? What is the valency of calcium in calcium chloride, CaCl2? Options are A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 6. The correct answer is B 2. The valency of calcium is 2. Option B is correct. Question number 29. An element with a valency of 2 forms which type of bond with another element of same valency? An element with a valency of 2 forms which type of bond with another element of same valency? Option A double bond, option B single bond, option C triple bond, option D ionic bond. The correct answer is double bond. Option A is correct. The question number 30. The valency of phosphorus in PCl3 is. The valency of phosphorus in PCl3 is option A 1, option B 3, option C 5, option D 7. The correct answer is B 3. The valency of phosphorus in PCl3 is 3. The option B is correct. Air is composed mostly of which two gases? Air is composed mostly of which two gases? Option A oxygen and hydrogen, option B oxygen and carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen and oxygen, option D nitrogen and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is C nitrogen and oxygen. Air is composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Question number 32. What is the approximate percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere? What is the approximate percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere? Option A 21%, option B 78%, option C 50%, option D 10%. The correct answer is B, 78%. What is the percentage of nitrogen? 78%. Question number 33. Which gas in air is essential for respiration? Which gas in air is essential for respiration? Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D argon. The correct answer is B, oxygen. Oxygen is essential for respiration. Question number 34. The process by which plant take carbon dioxide and release oxygen is called. The process by which plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen is called. Option A photosynthesis, option B respiration, option C transpiration, option D combustion. The correct answer is A, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plant takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Question number 35. Which gas in air help in burning of substance? Which gas in air helps in burning of substance? Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D argon. The correct answer is B, oxygen. Which gas in air helps in the burning of substance? Option B is correct, that is oxygen helps in burning of substance. Question number 36. The component of air that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation is. The component of air that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation is. Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C ozone, option D nitrogen. The correct answer is C, ozone. Ozone is the component of air that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation. Question number 37. What is the role of carbon dioxide in greenhouse effect? What is the role of carbon dioxide in greenhouse effect? Option A, it blocks sunlight. Option B, it absorbs infrared radiation. C, it releases harmful gases. Option D, it cools the atmosphere. The correct answer is B, it absorbs infrared radiations. Question number 38. Which of the following is a noble gas present in atmosphere? Which of the following is a noble gas present in atmosphere? Option A helium, option B oxygen, option C hydrogen, option D carbon dioxide. The correct answer is A, helium. Helium is a noble gas present in the atmosphere. Question number 39. Carbon monoxide is dangerous to the human because. Carbon monoxide is dangerous to the humans because. Option A, it supports combustion. Option B, it combines with the hemoglobin in blood. Option C, it cools the air. Option D, it is odorless and tasteless. The correct answer is B, it combines with the hemoglobin in the blood. Question number 40. Which gas is used by the plants during photosynthesis? Which gas is used by the plants during photosynthesis? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D argon. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used by the plants during photosynthesis. Question number 41. Water is composed of which element? Water is composed of which element? Option A hydrogen and oxygen, option B carbon and oxygen, option D nitrogen and oxygen, option D hydrogen and nitrogen. The correct answer is A, hydrogen and oxygen is composed in water. So water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen. The correct answer is A. Question number 42. The chemical formula of water is. The chemical formula of water is option A H2O, option B HO2, option C O2H, option D H2O2. The correct answer is A, H2O is the chemical formula for water. Question number 43. Water's high specific heat capacity is important because. Water's high specific heat capacity is important because it, option A, helps regulate temperature, option B, makes water volatile, Option C reduces its boiling point. Option C increases evaporation. The correct answer is A, helps to regulate temperature. Question number 44. The pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is. The pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is. Option A 0, option C B 7, option C 14, option D 5. The correct answer is B 7. The pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. Question number 45. Water is often called a universal solvent because it. Water is often called a universal solvent because it. Option A is a polar molecule. Option B is a non-polar molecule. Option C has a low surface tension. Option D does not dissolve substance. The correct answer is a polar molecule. Water is often called a universal solvent because it has a polar molecule. Option A is correct. Question number 46. Which property of water is essential for the transport of nutrients in plant? Which property of water is essential for the transport of the nutrients in the plant? Option A high density, option B high surface tension, option C high pH, option D low boiling point. The correct answer is high surface tension. The property of high surface tension of water is essential for transport of nutrients in the plant. Question number 47. The boiling point of water at sea level is. The boiling point of water at sea level is. Option A 90 degrees Celsius, option B 100 degrees Celsius, option C 120 degrees Celsius, option D 150 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is B 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of water at sea level is 100 degrees Celsius. Option B is correct. Question number 48. Ice floats on water because. Ice floats on water because. Option A ice is denser than water. Option B water is less dense than ice. Option C ice is less dense than water. Option D water expands when cooled. The correct answer is ice is less dense than water, hence ice floats on water. Ice is less dense than water, hence ice floats on water. Question number 49. Which property of water helps aquatic life survive in winter? Which property of water helps aquatic life survive in winter? Option A high density, option B ice is less dense than water, option C high viscosity, option D high surface tension. The correct answer is B, ice is less dense than water. This property helps aquatic life survive in the winter. Question number 50. Water is a polar molecule due to. Water is a polar molecule due to. Option A equal sharing of electron, option B unequal sharing of electron, option C absence of hydrogen, option D non-polar covalent bond. The correct answer is B unequal sharing of electron. Water is a polar molecule due to unequal sharing of electron. Question number 51. The smallest particle of an element that retains its chemical property is. The smallest particle of an element that retains its chemical property is. Option A molecule, option B atom, option C proton, option D neutron. The correct answer is B atom. The smallest particle of an element that retains its chemical property is atom. Question number 52. Elements are arranged in periodic table based on their. Elements are arranged in periodic table based on their. Option A atomic mass, option B atomic number, option C valency, option D density. The correct answer is atomic number. That is option B is correct. Elements are arranged in periodic table based on their atomic number. Question number 53. The pH scale measures the. The pH scale measures the. Option A, concentration of salt. Option B, acidity or alkalinity of solution. Option C, density of a solution. Option D, temperature of a solution. The correct answer is B, acidity or alkalinity of a solution. The pH measures acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Question number 54. The most abundant element in the universe is. The most abundant element in the universe is. Option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, carbon. The correct answer is B, hydrogen. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. Question number 55. In a chemical reaction, the substance initially present in a chemical reaction, the substance initially present are called. In a chemical reaction, the substances initially present are called. Option A, product. Option B, reactants. Option C, catalyst. Option D, indicators. The correct answer is B, reactants. In a chemical reaction, the substance initially presents are called reactants. Option B is correct. Question number 56. A molecule of ozone has how many oxygen atoms? A molecule of ozone has how many oxygen atoms? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is C 3. A molecule of ozone has 3 oxygen atoms. Question number 57. The process of rusting involves the reaction of iron with. The process of rusting involves the reaction of iron with. Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, chlorine. The correct answer is A, oxygen. The process of rusting involves the reaction of iron with oxygen. Question number 58. Which of these is an alkaline earth metal? Which of these is an alkaline earth metal? Option A, sodium. Option B, calcium. Option C, iron. Option D, aluminium. The correct answer is B, calcium. Which of these is an alkaline earth metal? Your answer will be calcium is alkaline earth metal. Question number 59. The atomic number of an element represent the number of. The atomic number of an element represent the number of. Option A, neutrons. Option B, protons. Option C, electrons. Option D, valence electron. The correct answer is B, protons. The atomic number of an element represents the number of protons. Question number 60. The main constituents of natural gas is. The main constituent of natural gas is. Option A, ethane. Option B, butane. Option C, methane. Option D, propane. The correct answer is C, methane. The main constituent of natural gas is methane. The option C is correct. Question number 61. Which of these acid is found in vinegar? Which of these acid is found in vinegar? Option A, sulfuric acid. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, acetic acid. Option D, nitric acid. The correct answer is C, acetic acid is found in vinegar. The question number 62. The pH of a neutral solution is. The pH of a neutral solution is. Option A 0, option B 7, option C 14, option D 10. The correct answer is B 7. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. 63. An allotrope of carbon used in pencil is. An allotrope of carbon used in pencil is. Option A, diamond. Option B, graphite. Option C, fullerene. Option D, charcoal. The correct answer is B, graphite. The question number 64. Atom of same element with different mass number are called. Atom of same element with different mass number are called. Option A, ions. Option B, isotopes. Option C, isomers. Option D, allotropes. The correct answer is B, isotopes. Atom of same element with different mass number are called isotopes. B answer is correct. Question number 65. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Option B 16. Option C 12. Option D 10. The correct answer is A 8. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Question number 66. Which of the following is a liquid metal at room temperature? Which of the following is a liquid metal at room temperature? Option A iron, option B mercury, option C lead, option D zinc. The correct answer is B mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal at room temperature. Question number 67. A molecule of nitrogen N2 consists of gas N2 consists of option A 1 nitrogen atom, option B 2 nitrogen atom, option C 3 nitrogen atom, option D 4 nitrogen atom. The correct answer is B 2 nitrogen atom. A molecule of nitrogen gas N2 is having 2 nitrogen atom. Option B is correct. Question number 68. Which of these elements is classified as a noble gas? Which of these elements is classified as a noble gas? Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C helium, option D hydrogen. The correct answer is helium. Helium is classified as a noble gas. Question number 69. The product of a reaction between acid and base is usually option A salt and hydrogen gas, option B salt and water, option C carbon dioxide and water, option D a precipitate. The correct answer is B salt and water. B is the correct option. Question number 70. The dry ice is a solid form of which gas? The dry ice is a solid form of which gas? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, option D argon. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. The dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Question number 71. The electron was discovered by. Option A J. Thomson, option B Ernest Rutherford, option C Niels Bohr, option D John Dalton. The correct answer is A J. Thomson discovered electron. Question number 72. The mass of a neutron is approximately equal to. Option A 1 AMU, option B 0 AMU, option C 2 AMU, option D 0.5 AMU. The correct answer is A 1 AMU. The mass of a neutron is approximately 1 AMU. Question number 73. The number of electron in a neutral atom of carbon is. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 12. The correct answer is B 6. The number of electron in a neutral atom of carbon is 6. Question number 74. Which of the following statement about isotope is correct? Option A, they have different atomic number. Option B, they have same atomic mass. Option D, they have same number of proton but different number of neutron. Option C, they have different chemical properties. The correct answer is C. Which of the following statement about isotope is correct? The correct statement is they have same number of proton but different number of neutron. Question number 75. Which scientist proposed the plum pudding model of the atom? Question number 75. The answer is option A Niels Bohr, option B J. Thomson, option C Ernest Rutherford, option D John Dalton. The correct answer is B J. Thomson. Which scientist? J. Thomson proposed the plum pudding model of the atom. Question number 76. The atomic number of an element is determined by the atomic number of an element is determined by the number of option A electron, option B neutron, option C proton, option D nucleons. The correct answer is C protons. The atomic number of element is determined by the number of protons. Question number 77. Ionic bonds are generally formed between option A metals and non-metal, option B metals only, option C non-metals only, option D noble gas only. The correct answer is A metal and non-metal. Ionic bonds are generally formed between metals as well as in non-metal. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 78. A molecule of oxygen has what type of bond? Molecule of oxygen has what type of bond? Option A ionic bond, option B double covalent bond, option C single covalent bond, option D metallic bond. The correct answer is B double covalent bond. A molecule of oxygen has a double covalent bond. Question number 79. The bond formed by the sharing of electron is called. The bond formed by the sharing of electron is called. Option A ionic bond, option B covalent bond, option C metallic bond, option D hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. The correct answer is B covalent bond. The bonds formed by sharing of electron are called covalent bond. Question number 80. The outermost shell of an atom is known as. The outermost shell of an atom is known as. Option A nucleus, option B valence shell, option C electron cloud, option D core shell. The correct answer is B valence shell. The outermost shell of an atom is known as valence shell. Option B is correct. Now question number 81. In a chemical reaction, the substance produced are called. In a chemical reaction, the substances produced are called. The reactants, option B catalyst, option C product, option D solutes. The correct answer is product. In a chemical reaction, the substance produced are called as products. The question option C is correct. Question number 82. Which type of reaction involve the breaking down of a compound into simpler substance? Which type of reaction involves the breaking down of a compound into simpler substance? Option A synthesis reaction, option B decomposition reaction, option C combustion reaction, option C D displacement reaction. The correct answer is B, that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the reaction involve the breaking down of a compound into simpler substance. Question number 83. In a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called. In a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called. Option A exothermic, option B endothermic, option C neutralization, option D decomposition. The correct answer is B endothermic. A chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic. Question number 84. The reaction between acid and base produces a. The reaction between an acid and a base produces. Option A salt and water, option B water and oxygen, option C carbon dioxide and water, option D precipitate. The correct answer is A is salt and water. The reaction between acid and base produce a salt and water. The question number 85. Which of the following gas is typically produced during combustion of hydrocarbon? Which of the following gas is typically produced during the combustion of hydrocarbons? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, option D helium. The correct answer is C carbon dioxide. Which of the following gas is produced during the combustion of hydrocarbons? The carbon dioxide is produced Hence option C is correct. Question number 86. The most reactive metal among the following is. The most reactive metal among the following is. Option A sodium, option B magnesium, option C gold, option D iron. The correct answer is A sodium. Sodium is the most reactive metal among the following four. The question number 87. Which element is a good conductor of electricity? Which element is a good conductor of electricity? The correct options are A sulfur, option B carbon in diamond form, option C copper, option D neon. The correct answer is C copper. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Question number 88. Which of these element is metalloid? Which of these element is a metalloid? Option is silicon, option B iron, option C chlorine, option D carbon. The correct answer is A silicon. Silicon is a metalloid. Question number 89. Which group of a periodic table contains noble gases? Which group of a periodic table contains noble gases? Option A group A 1, option B group 2, option C group 17, option D group 18. The correct answer is D group 18. Group 18 is a group of periodic table that contains noble gases. Question number 90. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is. Option A iron, option B aluminium, option C calcium, option D sodium. The correct answer is B aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal in the earth crust. Question number 91. An acid produces which ions in water? An acid produces which ions in water? Option A hydroxide ion, option B oxygen ion, option C hydrogen ion, option C D carbonate ion. The correct answer is C hydrogen ions. In an acid produce hydrogen ion in water. Question number 92. The substance with a pH of 2 is considered to be. The substance with a pH of 2 is considered to be. Option A strongly acidic, option B mildly acidic, option C neutral, option D alkaline. The correct answer is A strongly acidic. The substance with a pH of 2 is considered as strongly acidic. Question number 93. A common base used in household cleaning product is. A common base used in household cleaning product is. Option A hydrochloric acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C ammonia, option D sodium chloride. The correct answer is C sulfuric acid. Ammonia. Ammonia is a common base used in household cleaning product. Question number 94. The pH of a pure water is. The pH of a pure water is. Option A 7, option B 0, option C 1, option D 14. The correct answer is A 7. The pH of a pure water is 7. Question number 95. The lime water is chemically known as. The lime water is chemically known as. Option A calcium carbonate, option B calcium hydroxide, option C magnesium hydroxide, option D potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is B calcium hydroxide. Lime water is chemically known as calcium hydroxide. B is correct. Question number 96. Which of these substances is commonly used in fire extinguishers? Which of these substances is commonly used in fire extinguishers? Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D hydrogen. The correct answer is C carbon dioxide. Which substance is used? Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers. Question number 97. The process by which a gas turns into liquid is called. The process by which a gas turns into liquid is called. The process by which a gas turns into liquid is called option A melting, option B freezing, option D C condensation, option D evaporation. The correct answer is C condensation. The process in which gas turns into liquid is called condensation. The correct answer is C. Question number 98. The substance is often used to preserve water by creating an acidic environment. Which substance is often used to preserve food by creating an acidic environment? Option A is sodium chloride, option B is vinegar, option C sugar, option D baking soda. The correct answer is C sugar. Sugar is often used to preserve food by creating an acidic environment. Question number 99. Which element is commonly used in batteries? Which element is commonly used in batteries? Option A iron, option B copper, option C lead, option D zinc. The correct answer is D zinc. Zinc is an element which is used in batteries. Question number 100. An example of a greenhouse gas is. The example of a greenhouse gas is option A nitrogen, option B helium, option C methane, option D neon. The correct answer is methane. The example of a greenhouse gas is methane. Out of these four, methane is the example of greenhouse gas. These additional questions should give a comprehensive review across various keynote topics in the chemistry for NDA exams. In case of any doubt in any question or answer, please verify from textbook. Again, in case you have any doubt in any question or any answer, please verify from textbook. You should try to verify the questions those in which you find doubt. If you find any doubt, please verify from your textbook. I have discussed 100 multiple choice questions that are most important for NDA, CDS, medical, engineering and other competitive exams. I have tried my best to explain each and every term of this topic. If you like this video, please send it to as many as students those are preparing for medical, engineering, NDA, CDS examinations or any other competitive examination. If you are preparing any of the examination and you want to prepare chemistry, please go through these 100 questions. These questions may help you in many examinations. These questions may help you to answer other questions based upon these questions. Please practice this video. Please go through this video again and again, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and send it to your friends. Those are preparing for the examination. I wish you all the best for the forthcoming examinations. I have tried my best to prepare the videos for these examinations as well as for the motivational videos. You may subscribe my channel and to get more and more videos on the whole syllabus of NDA, CDS, NEET, medical, engineering examinations and other competitive examinations. Thank you.